I'm Jason Rowe. I'm here with Orlando Harley East. I am the general sales manager here. And here we have the 2020 Road Glide that I bought and built here as my own personal bike. There's a lot of options we have done to this bike. Let me keep going. So this bike was actually purchased here and built here by Orlando Harley East. My service guys, they did a really great job on this bike. This bike actually has a lot of aftermarket parts on it. Had the 21-inch front wheel. We did the Rockford Fallskate upgrade on this bike, the stereo system. This bike also has the 12-inch apes that I put on here for myself because I like the comfortability of that. This is also a Stage 4 131 built once again here. This is a special motor. These guys did a really good job on this bike. We have the aftermarket flows, foot pegs, floorboards on it. We have the smaller mustache bar on it. All right, so this bike also has, we put the CVO spoilers on this bike, kind of gives it that bulky look in the front. We also did oil LEDs all the way around it, even with the headlights, these adaptive headlights, the LEDs on those also. This bike also has the CVO seat on it. We did this here. There probably isn't too much we really haven't done to this bike. Like I said, the biggest special thing about this bike is the 131 engine. We have the 2-in-1 Dnd Exhaust to go with that 131. This is a great built bike. Rides great. Put the 21-inch wheel in there. Like I said, I really like that. For me, I'm taller, so it gives me a little bit more comfortability of the bike. This bike, the color of this bike is actual industrial gray denim. Pretty much. We also have the aftermarket windscreen on here, the CVO windscreen. So that's about pretty much what we have done to this bike. All right, guys, so that about wraps this up. If you guys would like to have a bike like this built or similar to this bike, we have great service techs here. We can definitely do that. Come on here, ask to speak with Jason Rowe. I'm the general sales manager here at Orlando Harley East. We can definitely get you guys taken care of. Thanks, guys.